A is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ballon, ballon. Balloon. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for duck, duck. Gag. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse, horse. Horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jam, jam. Jam. K is for kites, kites. Kites. L is for lion, lion. Leo. M is for moon, moon. Moon. N is for nose, nose. Noose. O is for orange, orange. Orange. P is for pig, pig. Pig. Q is for queen, queen. Queen. R is for rose, rose. Rose. S is for star, star. Star. T is for tiger, tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violet, violet. Violet. W is for well, well. Well. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yo, yo. Yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra. Next time, won't you sing with us?
and sweet. Crunchy snack, what a treat. Banana, banana, yellow and bright. Peel it up and take a bite. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing, nature's tasty offering. Orange, orange, juicy delight. Sip this punch, it feels so right. Grapes, grapes, purple or green. Fine fruit, so seen. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing, nature's tasty offering. Watermelon, juicy delight. Sip and munch, it feels so right. Grapes, grapes, purple or green. Tiny fruits, always seen. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing, nature's tasty offering. Watermelon, watermelon, big and round. Red inside, seeds are found. Strawberry, strawberry, red and small. Juicy fruit, what the hell? Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing, nature's tasty offering. Pineapple, pineapple, prickly and sweet. Tropical things that can't be beat. Mango, mango, orange delight. Smooth and sweet, just right. Limo, fruit, colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing, nature's tasty offering. So many fruits, so much to explore. Eat them all, you'll want more. Thanks for singing, thanks for the fun. Healthy fruits for everyone.
This is red, the color red, 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 red. This is red, the color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, the color blue, blue, blue. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow. The color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green. The color green, green, green. This is green. The color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is black, the color black, 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 black. This is black, the color black, 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 black. Do you know what color is this? This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is white, the color white, 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 white. This is white, the color white, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is white. Learning planets in the sky. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Learn again. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Hey, hey, planets in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Hey, 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 planets in the sky. Learning planets in the sky. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Learn again. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Planets in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Planets in the sky. Hello, that's where shakes. This is circle. Pizza is the shape of circle. But circle. This is square. It has 4 sides. Dice is the shape of square. Purple square. Square. I am triangle. I have 3 sides. Mountain's the shape of triangle. Green triangle, triangle. I am stars, I have 5 sides. You can see me in the sky. Yellow star, star. This is hexagon, it has 6 sides. Orange hexagon, hexagon. This is rectangle. It has 4 sides, and the love is the shape of rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle. I am oval. Egg is the shape of oval. Green oval, oval. This is diamond. It has 4 sides. Kites is the example of diamond. Thank you.
Oh, kids, gather near. It's time to learn animals loud and clear. First, let's visit the zoo today. See the animals come out to play. Monkey swings from tree to tree, chattering happily, full of glee. Camel walks with a humpback, carrying loads on a sandy track. Deer with antlers, sleek and swift, through the forest that quiet the drift. Bear with its big, fuzzy face roams the woods at a steady pace. Giraffe reaches up so high, neck so long it touches the sky. Panda munches on bamboo shoots in the forest at peaceful roost. Bear the roars with a mighty sound, its stripes are gold, orange and brown. Elephant's trunk swings all around, thick ears flapping, stomping the ground. Lion the king with his regal mane, in the zoo there's so much to gain. Next, let's head to the farmyard gate. Meet the animals, isn't this great? Cows said moo and chews on grass. In the meadow you see them pass. Sheep are fluffy in fields they graze, white and woolly in the sun's warm rays. Goose honks loudly, flaps its wings. Near the pond it often sings. Horse gallops, oh how it sings, with a mane that flows and graceful wings. Chicken clucks and pecks the ground, laying eggs all year round. Goat with horns, it's so spry, climbing hills, reaching high. It rolls in mud with a happy grunt, loves to dig with its snout in the front. Donkey's hee-haw is always blunt, strong and steady, bears the brunt. Duck swims in the pond so cool, quacking softly near the pool. Rabbit hops with a twitchy nose in the garden where the carrots grow. Turd know them, everyone. Sing this line and you'll real